Have a 401k through work at Fidelity? The NetBenefits site is your portal to manage it. Knowing how to navigate it is key to optimizing your retirement savings. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log in at netbenefits.com with your work credentials. Your dashboard shows your balance, investment options, and contribution rate. Key actions here: adjust your contribution percentage, change your investments, and view fund performance and fees. You can also model loans or hardship withdrawals if your plan allows them. My crucial pro tip: check your beneficiary designation annually. Life changes, marriage, children. Go to the Profile section and ensure your primary and contingent beneficiaries are up to date. This is one of the most important and often overlooked settings in any retirement account. Take an active role in your largest retirement asset. How often do you log in to check or rebalance your 401k? For more guides on workplace benefits, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.